Do you know many people are having trouble with capturing their screen? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Find PrtSc key. Locate the PrtSc key in the top right section of your keyboard. Step 2. Capture full screen. Press the PrtSc key to copy the full screen to your clipboard. Step 3. Capture active window. Use Alt PrtSc to capture only the active window you are working in. Step 4. Capture area. Press Windows + Shift + S to select and capture a specific screen area. Step 5. Paste screenshot. Open any program like Paint and press Ctrl + V to paste your screenshot. Now you should be able to capture any screen on your Lenovo ThinkPad X250 effortlessly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lenovo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.